It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae and Van.
Hey, Crafty Tae and Van. We have some books that we read, and it's called Anaiah's Trip to the Rainbow, and we have Anaiah's Trip to Space. So we have a box that we're going to be unboxing, and I think it's something to do with these books. So let's start unboxing. Okay, so I guess we're going to start unboxing the box. Whoa! There's two of them. What is this? Okay, so they look like custom shoes. There's some shoes. Whoa! Whoa! She gets to add to the. I like these. Look at it, and they match at the book. It says Anna's Trip to the Rainbow, and this says it too. Whoa! I like these shoes. They're pretty. Oh, these look like your size because these look a little smaller. So here you go. Whoa! I like these. Thank you. Okay, let's try them on. Okay, let's try them on. Yeah, first you have to take off. Okay, I'm gonna untie the shoelace.
I can't get this thing off. Okay.
And we're gonna see how they fit. They fit. I'm gonna tie them up.
I need help. Oh, there. I got it. Okay, that's on tight. Okay, now let's try it on. No.
Look at them. Let me put on the other shoe.
Yeah. The other shoe.
You want to? You got it.
I got it. Look at this.
These are very cute.
Yeah. I need help tying them.
Okay. Let me see.
And look, there's my slide.
Okay, here you go.
Now I'm gonna try my other shoe.
Put on my other shoe.
I hope I'm tied. I need help on tying.
I like my
I need
shoes.
to tie it.
Look at my shoes and the book. They look just alike. So I guess I'm just going to read a little of this book. So let's start reading. There is a galaxy out there. Just look around and beware for the falling stars and particles in the air. Now take a second. Look. Your life is in a book. You can wander off, but will always be there. Now fly, run, jump fast. The volcano is about to blast with fire and rocks in the air. Jupiter is great big storms. Get out there. You've been warned, which will eat your ship and take you away. Saturn rings, spin real fast. Use your boosters to fly away so you can make it the next planet safe. Venus is pretty cold. Go out there. Oh no! You'll freeze and become a pops. Neptune is a smaller planet. We take life for granted, so come back home one day. The sun is our bright star. It reminds you of who you are. We shine bright and never fade away. Venus spins slow. Nothing on the planet can really grow. That's why Earth, the best place to stay. The Earth is just below. You're about to reach back home. Mommy and Daddy, we missed you for days. Now you're back home safe, warm and in your snuggle place. We wonder what's next as you take your break. Will we be ready again to help your live life to the end. We want to see you have fun in all your days. Good night. The end. Okay, so you can get the shoes and these books at babyauthors.com, and we like the shoes. So thanks for watching. Bye, Crafty Tae. Like and subscribe. Bye.